Consider the function g of x equals cos x. Determine where the rate of change of g of x is decreasing. Now this is 3.4, so this is assuming we know what cos x looks like. So let's draw cos x out. Cos starts at 0, 1, and eventually will bottom out at -1. It starts up here at half a pi, hits the x-axis, bottoms out at regular pi, comes back up at 1.5 pi, and then peaks completely out at 2 pi. So let me draw that out, probably poorly because that seems to always happen. So there it is. That's part 1. Here's part 2. Here's part 3. Here's part 4. Now, my job is to find out where the rate of change is decreasing. What does the rate of change is decreasing mean? That means concave down. Okay, rate of change is a fancy word for slope. And this slope, as this moves to the right, gets smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. So concave down is another way of saying rate of change is decreasing. So where is this guy concave down? Where it's concave down in two areas. Here, that's one side of concave down, and here is the other side of concave down. So we have two answers here. Between 0 and pi over 2 is concave down, and between 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi is also concave down. So we will select A for this one, and we'll select D for this one because those are both my possible answers.